Hello everyone, and today I'm going to introduce some application that written in assembly language. And first of all, I think it's better to run this program, and I use DOSBox for because Windows have some limitations of using assembly language, and I run this program. And as we can see, there are 10 tasks that executes in step by step, and there are one task that not executed now because it's something like that everything done, something should be uh, executed, and I'm going to explain what the program can do. That can, if I choose this state, that's something that uh, that I said that I stopped other tasks, and now I executing only task 6, and after those executions will be this task executed. So now I will try and explain how it works, this application. There are something like clock, and this clock with some frequency make some interruption, something like it's few decades per second. It's about few decades per second, and in my program there are no interrupt manager, and I wrote something like I tried to make some interruption and switch each app which in some order. Of course, there are a lot of way to do that. I can prioritize some tasks, or I can skip this task because it's not important to execute now, and it's something like that. And I will show some the most important part in my code. The first is something like the maximum number of tasks is 10, and something like the number of current processing task the currently now, but it's can be up to max per g minus 1, and there are something like array of init that can each task can be in any state from ready to absent, and there are array clocks that here we can put how much we want to prioritize which task, and put some quant of time, and here this quant of time is calculated in this array, and yeah, and a lot of different data initialization, but I will continue with the start of program is from this label, and we can see that there are some interruption. It's changed some textual mode in 80x25 size. Also, there are some interruption. We have some filling of addressing is for output on the screen, and also I make some initialization of mouse, and we can find this just using Ctrl F, and we just stop interruptions, and in the end we allow interruption during this procedure, and of course we return the position of a current line, just something like returning of the function by using the last value of the stack, and here we because I had some movement of my mouse and I make some interruption, and this interruption is, I think it's probably initialization of mouse, and here initialization of, uh, of this function, that there are some, I don't know, driver or some interruption of the system that I allow him to know there's functions, that custom functions that will uh, process all interruption of mouse in my program, and I make this interruption, and here this procedure. And something most important, I think, that after probably this interruption, it's register with value 3 and interruption with 33 vector. I get the position of cursor and in the X and CX register, and this imitates some division by 8, because we make some switch shift to the right by 3 bits, and it sounds the same, like almost the same as division by 8. And let's compare if the left click or not. If it's not, we just jump out from this part of code, and if it's okay, we continue. We check if the position is desirable, and if it's yes, we change the data is selected flag to 1, make comparison. I think here is even no need for that, and we just push the value of register C. We move in something like that, and yeah, I think it's probably the main since I explained this code, and thank you for your attention.